So in Jotform, you can go ahead and add in a signature field right here, which is a signature drawing area. But if you want another variation, then there is a smooth signature widget that's available as well, which provides a larger area than what you have right here. So if you want to insert that out, you can simply go around under widget. And then if you were to go ahead and scroll down, you'll be able to see the smooth signature widget right here. Go ahead and click, and then a smooth signature area actually comes up. You can see that this is what you have, and then you can go to the widget setting right here, but you don't really have much option rather than adding a custom CSS to it. Apart from that, you can go around over here onto properties, and then you can go ahead and align this out onto the left, right here, and so forth, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here, you can go to the left, right, and so forth right here. So this is quite similar, and you can see that you can go ahead and define out the width right here, just like this. Change around the height of the signature. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say 400. You can have more area for the signature. You can make it required as well, and you can even duplicate out the field as with other areas right here. And you can see that as I define the size, you got more area over here. And then in advanced, you can go ahead and shrink it out right here. And then you can duplicate out the field as well after shrinking it right here, just like this, so that you can have two of them in the same area as well. So this is basically it, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and move out the shrinked area. So let's just go ahead and shrink this out right here. As you do that, you can see that the shrinked area stays on the same line right here. So together, you can go ahead and move it to new line if you don't want to. You can remove the shrink right here, hide the field temporarily if you don't want the users to see it. And apart from that, you can change around the field details as you want as well. Apart from that, if I were to go ahead onto preview form right here, just like this, then what happens is that I will be able to get an interactive version. So let's just go around over here. You can see the signature right here, just like this. So this is the regular signature. Let me just go ahead and turn it off. So I accidentally hid it right here. So let's just go around over here and then remove the hide field, and then go around over here onto preview form right here. Then I will be able to get this big signature area. You can see that there's a blue color. The original one right here, that is the default one, has black color. So you can see that you get a more different option right here, just like this. You got more larger area with the line right here in the widget section. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the smooth signature widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.